Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 2. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 3. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 4. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 5. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 6. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 7. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 8. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 9. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 10. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 11. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 12. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 13. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 14. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 15. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 16. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 17. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 18. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 19. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 20. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 21. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 22. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 23. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 24. Find the sum of the above expression. Number 25. Find the sum of the above expression. Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.